What is up, everyone? I'm going to hop into my laptop in just a second and show you guys everything. But first, I want to talk to you about what I think is the game changer of all side hustles in 2024 going into 2025. So this is something that anybody can do. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. It's not going to be very long. And the only work that you're really going to have to put in is getting the clients to take 2 minutes on the phone to go to a website that you show them. We're going to build that website here on this call. And then you're going to be like, here, try this while you're on the phone with the client. They try it and you just say, hey, ask it this. They're going to ask it whatever you ask it to. They're going to see what comes out as a result. And they're going to say, how did you build this for us? And you're going to name a price, right? Now, what I like to do is say, well, what is this worth to you? How many people are you employing right now? Because more often than not, that receptionist is getting paid anywhere between 40 and usually 50 or $60,000 an hour. And sometimes she's even missing calls. Sometimes she's giving away misinformation. Sometimes she's messing up. This doesn't do that because we're able to train the AI. We're able to feed it documents from the business and make sure that it knows everything about the business, how to deal with the business and everything. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. Let's go. Well, here we are. We are inside of the no code app builder, and there's a link in the description below so that way you can follow along. You will be able to create unlimited no code apps. There are some limitations on what you can do, but you can at least get your first client. And then once you get your first client, you'll come right over here to pricing and then just upgrade for the whole entire year. Boom, 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 because you're going to be able to charge way, way more. Look, you're at $20 a month or $89 a month. You're going to be charging anywhere between $250 and $5,000. I'm saying low $250. Now, it only takes a couple seconds. So it's really what you can sell it for. And I always recommend a monthly reoccurring for maintenance. They're going to say, hey, the AI said this to somebody. We need to change that. They're going to tell you a couple little things. This does make some mistakes every once in a while, but let's just get into how to build this whole entire AI system out for a hospital. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account here. And as you can see, I am on the gold monthly plan. So you don't have to be on that plan. You can still try this out. Basically, you can get enough for free on the free plan where you can upload 3 documents. You can monetize them in the studio, so you can sell these no code apps. So let's just go ahead and get into creating a no code app for a hospital. We're going to be creating a chatbot. This is something that they can embed on a web page, or it can be on the side. So let's just do the automatic AI builder. And you are a hospital receptionist. You are a hospital. Yes, we are ready to build an app. So you tell it yes, you want to get started. What type of tool do you want to build? I want to build a chat bot that acts as the front desk for a hospital, taking patient info, booking appointments. It will also know all the info about the hospital and provide times like emergency room wait time. Okay, and I didn't spell any of that right because AI isn't like the Karens in the comments that say, hey, you spelled this wrong. All right, who will use this? Patients. All right, here we go. Come on, come on. I understand how they will interact with the tool. They will tell it the problem and the AI will schedule with the doctor. They can also tell info about the hospital and look up anything on the hospital website. Boom, check it out. This is great. Sorry guys, I fidget a lot. I have ADD. If you have ADD, let me know in the comments. What's your unique take on it? It will be nice all the time and easy to use, unlike calling etc. All right. So this app that we're building right now is the basic thing. This is the thing that you sell early on. You implement the chat thing, and then you say, hey, can we take care of your phones, which I'm going to be showing you next, right? I like to lead with this completely for, something basic. Now, if you get a hospital, charge them 5K, 10K, because anything less, they're going to look at you like it's not going to be worth it, right? Do you like this prompt? And it created me this prompt. You are a friendly, patient, and knowledgeable. 800%, you're always polite, blah, blah, blah. Patient problems. Boom. Yes. All right. So it's going to build this app, and it's not going to take long at all. We've already done all the work, and we are not even 5 minutes into this video. Generating your tool. Here's our new tool, and let's go ahead and create it. Now, you'll only have access to ChatGPT 5. Here are all the language learning models that we can apply to. Let's just go into biggest context window 4.0. All right. And then here's the knowledge base. So anything you want it to know, you'll just save to a Google document, download it as a docx file. And we'll do that over here. So I'm just going to save one that I already have and show you how to upload it. So we just click over here, file, download as a docx. It's going to save, and then you'll come over here and you'll upload the file. But that's not what we're going to do. We're going to upload a web page. So this is the hospital where I was actually born at. And we're just going to go ahead and scrape this. How many pages? Oh, it only has 80. I am on the pro plan. Okay, I think we can only add 50. So let's go to patient rights, patient stories, language services. They have a lot of stuff here, unfortunately. So you see why if you have a hospital client, you're going to have better. Boom, like we've added all of this stuff to the knowledge base. And it's adding them. And then we'll allow web browsing. They could upload documents, right? And then we're going to do icebreakers, right? This is going to allow, right? Gives them ideas of what they can use. So this is pretty much it. Let's just go to next step. I'm going to do public. Okay. And then we'll just do publish. And we'll check out this chatbot here. So we're done. We're literally done. In order to deploy it, you could just share the link with them. So if you're emailing it, you could say in your email to hospitals, you could email all the hospitals with this tool that I'll show you later. You can email all the hospitals and say, hey, check this out. Share it with your colleagues. And if you're interested in something like this, just let me know. This is what we do. And let's just go ahead and check this thing out and see how much it knows about Nason. Boom. Can you help me with scheduling an appointment with the cardiologist? Been having chest pains and I want to see a specialist. Let's see if it recommends okay, full name, John Smith, 312. So it's looking for an appointment. Obviously, we would need to connect to their appointment scheduler, but this is great. Where okay, just testing it out. This is what you need to do. You need to test it out, see if there's any inconsistencies, any errors. You don't want a crap bot going out. So sometimes you need to retrain these bots, add extra stuff to the. Oh, now it's telling me, please hold. I think it's going to check online real quick. But look, sounds very human. Please hold. Let's see what happens. I am holding. Oh, it's not even letting me send anything. It must still be thinking. And there's the ER wait times. So you see, it found everything just like a receptionist would, and send me a link. I just clicked on it, and that was it. Okay. What is on your food menu? Let's just keep going here. But if you understand, you can skip ahead in this video if you want to go to the next tool. But I hope you understand this is the type of thing that it can do. Like it's grabbing a food menu for me because I inputted that into the system. Here's the dining options. Boom. Okay, so that is how to build a AI receptionist chatbot. Now let's show you how you can deploy this and actually sell it. So if this was something that people would want to actually run, if they would want to actually create this and use it, this is a single use case. You got to put this thing on somebody's business for a hospital. But let's just say we built a travel assistant AI. I'm going to come over here to Florida Man Guide. And here's what we created. And I'm coming in 4 days. I like to eat steaks 3 times a week. I also need a 1 hour run. It's going to create me my whole entire itinerary. Boom. All right, so this is it. You see this bot, it's embedded on this web page. This is what it looks like. This is how somebody's able to access it. So you can put these type of bots on people's pages too. You can also, in a couple days, I will have ads running here, 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 and running here. And I'm going to give this tool out for free. We'll see how much AdSense revenue we collect off of it. Also, because it's Florida Man, I'm going to be putting some shirts down here and some merch. And the cool thing about this is that it always tells a joke and then it always gives a headline. Florida Man tries to wrestle alligator after steak dinner, claims he was just tenderizing it. Wow, that's fucking crazy and funny, right? A little bit of humor goes a long way. Why did Florida Man take the clock to the steakhouse? He wanted to have a rare moment. No, that's so hilarious. Anyway, this is a cool thing. I just built this in a day, and this is something that you can build as an example. Now, where are you going to host this? I host everything at DreamHost. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on DreamHost. You can sign up for a DreamHost account and host unlimited websites on their shared hosting. So let me just go in here into billing and show you how much I pay, and I'll show you. So I got the year plan, $35 a month. All right. And then we go over here to websites, and you're going to see all of these and how many there are. There's so many. Look at all these. And I'm able to host all of them on here and charge 20 bucks a month. So that's the thing. And I'll get into this later in the video. If you're making websites, we have another tool that will just make a website in 5 minutes. And I'll leave a link to that video, the full tutorial on how to do that once I start talking about this website builder. But it's insane. You're able to host all of these sites and then build them. Look at all these. I'm hosting all of these on my server, every single one of these, all these websites. So I just want you to know this is another way that you can make passive income hosting people's websites. I don't really like to host other people's websites. These are actually all of my projects and they're not all active. A lot of this was from whenever I lived in America, whenever I did all my 16 million, and I bought a whole bunch of domain names in the cannabis industry, like 4 Hour Indica and Bulk Kratom and Bulk Cannabinoid and all of these other domain names. So no longer in that industry. Now I'm teaching you guys. If you like this video so far, make sure to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make all sorts of money online. And let's just get into the next part of this video.